This didn't work out like you planned, huh, Eggface?
Why won't those other me's listen to me? I only want what's best for me!
I think I know how to fix this.
Do you? Boy, that would be great. I've got so much going on. My plate is full, you know. I've got, look at the calendar is just so full. I really can't get over. So, yeah, if you could help me out with that, that would be... Let's crack these eggheads! I can get used to this.
Hold him off, Eggman. I'll be right back. Ew, gross. Let's get baking.
I feel like myself again.
I'm also back to feeling like myself again. Knock on wood. Who is it?
Yeah, and the best part is, now we're all on the same team. We'll fight side by side, together. One for all and all for... Okay, fun's over. I gotta get back to work. Evil doesn't brilliantly plan and execute itself, you know.